is up, guys? I am already hating the winter so bad. I don't miss this at all. But the plans for today, we're gonna install drill and slotted rotor. Sorry, it's 8:43. Drill and slotted rotors for the Malibu. We may do Nick's battery, and our boy Dylan is gonna tag along and help us out with it. I've never actually did rotors, not that I remember, like installed them myself. So I was gonna wait for Lamont, but he's working, he's hustling, so y'all won't see him until next week. We got some cool things coming. But yeah, so we are about to head out after the car warms up, get at least a little bit warmer, and go from there. And plus, I'm ready to get these big old boxes out of here. These boxes have been sitting here for literally a month. These are the fronts, those are the rear, and I'll give you guys the whole rundown. Ooh, hazards, my bad. I'll give you guys the whole rundown of what brand I went and everything. Hopefully the front fits. I'm not worried about the rear, which is weird. I'm not worried about the rear rotors, which is weird. I'm worried about the front. So, fingers crossed. Hopefully it works out. So, we'll see how it goes. So, we made it. There's Nick. We'll have to see him in a minute. He came in clutch with the biscuit. So, we're slowly getting the move. It's cold and we're hungry.
Very cold.
So, let's do the rear first, because I'm more confident in that. And we'll go from there. Sounds good?
Sounds good.
Cool. So, change the scenery. Quick update. Got a rotor on. We ran out of time. That one rotor took like 3 hours. We still got the old crusty ones up front. But we're at a car meet right now. Stylish. So, we're just chilling. This is my boy's build. He came from Clean Exhibitions, Greenville, to get down here. This is his car, his girl's car, and then his boy's car behind. So, this is the scenery.
There's still a lot. My entire interior is all fucking black.
We're out here eating. This man beat me. I'm partially dying now. I think they gave me extra spicy. This one's good as, well, actually good as fuck. But we're about to go check out some cars and continue. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for this video because it's still going on YouTube. Low-key sleeper. Got a chaser. Chasers are growing on me. Look at the fucking spacer on me. God damn. It's sick though. It's nice. I saw these wheels for sale on Marketplace.
Yeah.
I was so tempted to pull the trigger, but I was like, nah.
You could have had your wheels.
Shit. Yeah, you could have.
Damn, I didn't even see the 300 TX.
Is this a Camry? Completely clapped out? He low too. That's cool. You know.
Oh, he's missing a load nut.
Yeah, could use some work, but the potential is there. That's all that matters. There's my boy Avery's car over there. He is the one I do the arrow. What's up, bro? I don't think they're going to do anything crazy. Yeah, that was it. I thought it was more. BMW's sake. I forget what the top is called, but the thing's the canopy is the size of the car. The S2000. The owner's right there in the brown hoodie. It's fast. He tracks it. Look at a chaser. Hey, he didn't go into the ditch like the Mustang did, though. Alright, guys. That's going to be it for the YouTube video. It was very short. Did not go as planned at all. But it's all good. Peace
Yeah.
out.
Later.
You're not gonna tell them your experience?
Oh, yeah, besides being cold and, you know, trying to get bolts off that were
Not wanting
on
to
there
come
pretty
off.
tight. Other than that, it was pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll get it done one day.
Yeah. Yeah, one day. It won't be sitting for another week, I promise.
Yeah, hopefully
We'll
not.
probably this upcoming weekend or during the week, sometime soon. We'll see.
We need Darius's tools.
Yeah, we need a real impact. No offense to your dads, but all right, guys. Peace out. Catch y'all next time. Real quick before we end the video. God damn. I wasn't even that close. That shit hurt my ears. Damn. Oh, that man. I didn't get it, but hopefully.